Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are here and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English second paper class for the students of class 7 on the topic articles. I am repeating, today our topic is articles and it would be second part. And students, this is lecture number 3, while the homework number will be also 3. Now students, please take your writing elements. We are going to discuss about the rules of the use of articles, that means definite article they. Students, you know, in our earlier class, in the discussion of articles part 1, we have discussed about indefinite article a and am, and today is time to talk about definite article they. So first I am going to memorize what is definite article. I hope you can remember what is definite article. The is called definite article. It is definitely refers to a particular person or thing. Definite article is used before both singular and plural nouns. And here is an example: the sun rises in the east. So you can see the sun and the east. These are identified and only one thing, that is singular. So before this we have used the. And today elaborately we will learn about the uses of definite article the. Number 1, the is used before singular and plural common nouns to particularize person or thing. So first, why we will use the? We will use the before singular, that means only one thing, or many things, that means plural common nouns, to particularize person or thing. Come to the example: the boys are playing, the girl is reading. So look, here we find common noun boy, girl. We know these are called common noun, and here boys, this is common plural noun, and while the girl, it is singular common noun. So before these singular and plural common nouns we have used article the. Rule number 2, the is used before names of river, sea, gulf, ocean, mountain ranges, groups of island, ship, etc. Students, you have to keep in mind that the names of river, sea, gulf, ocean, mountain ranges and group of island or ship, you have to use the article the, such as Andamans, Himalayas, Pacific. Students, look, these words start with capital letter. You know capital letter, when you will find any word starting with capital letter, these are called proper noun, and proper nouns are special names. So the names of river, sea, ocean, mountain ranges, these are special names, and before this you have to use article the Andamans, the Himalayas, the Pacific. Here is an exception. What is it? The is not used before a single mountain or a single island. Look, Andamans, Himalayas, this is group of or a pair. But when it is indicated singular, you can't use article the, such as Shondip, Hatia, Mount Everest. These are single area, single thing or single mountain or island. You can't use article the. Rule number 3, the is used before names of holy books and newspapers. So before the name of holy books and newspapers, we have to use article the to identify it. Suppose Holy Quran. We know this is a holy book for Muslim. So before Holy Quran, we have to use article the. And the name of newspaper like Daily Star, and before this we have to use article the, such as we can say the Prothomalo, the Independent, the Inkilab. And for holy books we can say the Bible, the Gita. These are holy books and newspapers, and before that we have to use article the. Number 4, the is used before singular nouns referring to things of which only one exists, such as the earth, the sun, the moon, the east, the west. Students, think about it. Earth, sun, moon. These are only one. It's singular. There is nothing like that. Only one earth, only one sun, only one moon. And therefore directions east, west, north, south, we know that these are only one, and before that the east, the west, the north, the south, we have to use article the to identify this. So the rule is, when you will get singular noun and which is referring only one thing that is exist, you have to use article the. Rule number 5, the is used before descriptive or significant geographical names. Come to the example, USA. You know, USA means United States of America. This is geographical names or a country name. So before a geographical name or a country name which is significant or descriptive, you have to use article the. Like this, you can say the Punjab, the USSR. Now come to rule number 6. The is used before the names of dates, nation and community. You have to keep in mind, when you will get date, name of nation or community, you have to use article the. For example, we can say the 26th March, the English, the rich, the Muslims. Students, look, the 26th March. 26th March is a date. So before that we have to use article the, such as we can say 15th December, we can say 21st February. We have to mention date, we have to use article the. And the English, the rich, the Muslims, these are nation and community. So before community we have to use article the also. Here the English means the people of England. Come to number 7. The is used before nouns to indicate a profession. So to indicate any particular profession, we have to use article the. Come to the example, he joined the army. Students, do you know army? Army is a noun and it is collective noun. Here the rule says the is used before nouns to indicate a profession. So you know, here army means it is a job or profession. So to indicate the job, we have to use article the. He joined the army. Rule number 8, the is used before adjectives in the superlative degree. Students, do you know what is superlative degree? We know there are 3 forms of adjective: positive, comparative and superlative. I have written in short: positive, comparative and superlative. If I say good, it would be positive. Good is positive. Comparative will be better. Comparative would be better. And what would be the superlative? Superlative is best. Superlative is best. If I say another word what can we say? We can say large, we have to say larger, largest. Short, shorter, shortest. So here before superlative degree we have to use article the. Before adjective, and if it is superlative degree we have to say article the. So like this, here we are saying that before superlative degree we have to use article the. She is the best girl in the class. So here the word best, it is superlative degree, and before superlative degree we have used article the. Number 9, the is used before the plural names of families. So when any family is indicated and if it is in plural, then we have to use article the. For example, we can say the Mughals, the Pathans, the Khans. So look, Mughal, and we have added s, it is in plural form. Pathan, we have added s, it is also in plural form like Khans. So if the family name is in plural form, we have to use article the. Rule number 10, the is used before musical instruments. So before any musical instruments we have to use article the. And if you look at the example, he plays the piano, can understand. Piano is a musical instrument, and before this we have added article the. Rule number 11, the is used before adjectives to express an abstract quality. Students, do you know what is abstract quality? Abstract noun, you have heard about that. Students, can you remember what is abstract noun? You have learned this in the classification of noun. Abstract noun means the quality that is inside you or any person. You know that it has existence, but you can see, you can taste, you can touch it. That is called abstract noun. So if you get such word, you have to use article the. So come to the example. I hope the idea of abstract noun is clear to you. The is used before adjectives to express an abstract quality. Look at the example. The people love the brave. So the word brave, we know the person is brave, but can you see whether he is brave? Can you touch? No. So when you can touch, you can see, but you can feel that yes, it is. So it is called abstract quality or abstract noun, and before that we have to use article the. Now last rule is number 12. Adjectives used before proper nouns take the before them. Look at the example. The great Omar was the second Khalifa of Islam. The great Omar was the second Khalifa of Islam. The great Omar, this is proper noun. Students, you know that proper nouns start with capital letter, and proper nouns are special names. So you can see Omar, the great Omar. Omar is a name and it starts with capital letters. So to identify it, we have to use article the. And another one, look, the second Khalifa of Islam. Khalifa, the word is written in capital, so it also indicates proper noun, and that's why we have used article the. Students, I hope you can understand the rules of article, use of a and they. Here I have written 10 sentences for you. You can see I have written 1 to 10. This sentence will be your homework. You will write the answer of this question in your homework copy. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. See you in our next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.